Someone didn't get a booster pack, so.
Oh, someone
Someone got cards.
clickbait.
Alright, clickbait.
Okay. Okay, that was good. That was good. That was good. Okay. Okay. How the fuck did I? Oh, wait, you were stupid.
Oh.
Wait, no, you're stupid.
Oh my god. This is what it looks like on the inside.
I got 6. You're 6.
I also got 6.
Okay.
Choose my one.
Is it third to the back?
I thought it's 3, right? Yeah. We have 6 packs to figure this out.
Okay.
Bro, he's ugly as hell.
Oh my god, Ian.
Why am I getting all the ugly ones? Like,
Ian, guys.
okay,
Oh, like this is the good one. Starvey.
well, back then, right?
Is it?
Or is it? So this was. Again.
No.
What the fuck?
I got 2 ancients.
I got drowsy.
Okay.
This is so ass.
No, it's
This is so ass.
no, this is the setup. Like it's bad, but eventually you're gonna hit the good.
So I got these from that pack.
Cadabra.
Knocked Owl, basic energy.
These are ass.
Pyroar, and what's the last one? Leafeon! Hey, that's pretty cool. Maybe it's not that one. I just got an EX, guys. Flareon. Just like the
Okay,
Leafeon.
I'm going. I'm keep going.
I haven't. Jinx EX! That
Total
Barnes.
Pokemon spent this year so far $25 each.
Chubitar, Bronzor.
Bro.
Ian!
It's the ugly one.
It's the ugly one!
Wait,
Today.
I gotta get my sleeve. I gotta take the other one out. Put it in the sleeve.
Take out.
Are we pulling up to the really good Pokemon card convention?
Down below, you can cut the better packs. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, this is Pokemon Go stuff.